Welcome to Marine Court, the ultimate coastal getaway for up to 20 people in North Devon. With its spaciousness, family-friendly amenities and unbeatable location, Marine Court is the perfect choice for your next group getaway. Let us show you why. First, off the hallway you'll find a handy downstairs toilet, and then a huge lounge and dining room with floor-to-ceiling windows that give you a glimpse of the charming thatched inn across the road. You can mix and match the large tables, pushed together for more intimate dining or separated to seat more people at a time. You'll also find plenty of games to keep everyone amused. Whether you're into Scrabble, quizzes or snakes and ladders, we've got you covered. From the dining area, you can step out to the sunny terrace where you can relax together with a drink and soak up the sun. The lounge has cosy seating, including window seats where you can curl up with a book from our collection. You'll also have your own bar to serve your favourite drinks. And if you want to watch something on TV, we have a 65-inch smart TV and DVD player for your convenience, perfect for movie nights with your group. Feeling competitive? Head to the games room where you'll find a pool table, electronic dartboard and retro arcade machine for hours of entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped for large groups with a 3-oven range cooker, eye-level grill and a plumbed-in water boiler for hot drinks. No need to wait for the kettle. There's also separate fridges and freezers, a dishwasher and a larder for storing food. And with a separate utility room featuring a washing machine and tumble dryer, you'll have everything you need for a comfortable and convenient stay. The bedrooms are spread over the upper 2 floors with 4 bedrooms on each floor. Each of the comfortable rooms has its own ensuite facilities. 2 of the rooms are our family suites with 2 interconnected rooms. You can check out the floor plan on our website to see the details of each room. Room 1 is a sunny small double room at the front of the property. Next to it is Room 2, our first family suite containing a room with a king-size bed, 2 singles in another, plus a bathroom ideal for families who want to be self-contained. Room 3 is a twin room, all the beds could be pushed together. Room 4 is a double room, and being at the back of the property, it has sea views. Then on the second floor we have 4 more bedrooms. Room 5 is a bright king-size room at the front, and Room 6 is our second family suite with a super king-size bed in one room and bunks in another. Room 7 is a king, and Room 8 is a double, both with sea views, and of course all rooms have an ensuite shower room. All rooms also have their own TV, so you can watch whatever you want without any arguments. As you can see, the accommodation space is very flexible and can suit most groups. We can also provide a travel cot, bed rail and high chairs if you're travelling with little ones. We often host multi-family holidays, celebration weekends and groups of all kinds. We have 7 car parking spaces in an adjoining car park with the potential for more spaces if required. Just let us know what you need. But our location on the edge of Ilfracombe means that you have the harbour, beaches, shops, bars and restaurants, the coastal path and much more, all within easy walking distance. Visit our website marinecourtdevon.co.uk for more information, a floor plan, availability and pricing, and to make a provisional booking. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We hope to see you soon.